theory, of probability theory, and mathematical statistics. So it's nothing special, but traditional math that has been developed recently, 100 years ago and later. So just math, that's it. And AI is when in the world humanity collected so much data, and now it is possible to apply this math to this high volume of data. Chatbots and conversational AI technologies make business, help business speak with and talk with their customers. So you can have and develop zero human contact center. When your business can speak with your customers on customer care, on sales, on some employees requests 24/7 with 1 second time to reaction, no waiting on call, immediate feedback and resolution of your problem with a couple of seconds. That's so it's quite convenient for customers, and you do not need to use human on this not really intelligent work. So human can do something more creative, more complex, and do not spend time on contact center. It's number one application of technology in AI. Yeah. Key factors. So chatbots are trained by human. And you need to design the conversational flow that would be convenient for customer. So when I'm speaking with, I don't know, angry human, and he is not in a good mood, and he is speaking with me not convenient, I do not like the way, and I feel not good emotion, and do not like the business. Like for example, in banking, if I'm calling and the human in contact center is speaking with me wrong, I do not like the brand of this bank, because the conversation, I didn't like the conversation. The same way with the chatbot, with AI, if this chatbot was trained correctly, crafted by hands of human precisely, and with the thinking on how the human would feel the conversation with this chatbot, the better the chatbot is. For example, Microsoft developed, based on the large language models, that ChatGPT is based on this architecture, and Microsoft created and developed Copilot project, and when you're doing code and writing new code line, it is Copilot project helps you to code faster, and also if you want to, for example, to write some tests for your code, you can ask ChatGPT to write this test, and you do not need to spend time on testing, on writing these lines of code. Yes, it can speed up significantly writing of code and writing writing tests for this code. It's just a simple example, but it can significantly speed up the process of code development for software developers. Yeah. Yeah, we can. I think that a vacancy of junior software developer would be, how to explain, denounced maybe a little bit, and so you should not be. You cannot be a good developer because how to explain. We do not need a junior developer because we can use ChatGPT or something like this for simple stuff. And we do not need to spend time on junior developers to teach them, because it is really time-consuming process to teach and train junior to middle. And AI is challenging juniors. So you need to be middle really fast, and you need to prove that you are smarter and your value as a developer is greater and better than ChatGPT can do, for example. So you need to prove that you can do some complex tasks that ChatGPT cannot. So you need to develop soft skills, you need to have some organizational skill, team leading skill, engineering skill, of course, and you should learn fast, you should grow fast to be middle developer, so when ChatGPT or something like this is not ready to replace. Yes, so yeah. So from my point of view, juniors are under attack by AI, and to be on the safe side, you need to develop your hard skills faster, and you need to develop soft skills like negotiations and communications and all that faster. And at this time, in this situation, you are on the safe place as a developer.